calling all partners, friends, and the Microsoft community. This spring is going to be magical. Inogic is headed to DynamicsMinds as a proud silver sponsor. May 26th to 28th, Grand Hotel, Bernardin, Portorož, Slovenia. A power-packed Dynamics 365 and Power Platform community event. Meet the high wizards of Inogic at Booth S1. 11th floor. Explore 15+ Dynamics 365 apps. Custom dev services powered by 150+ experts. Join our partner showcase, interactive maps inside Dynamics 365. Now with AI Map Copilot. May 28th, 11:15 a.m. to 12 p.m. Room Mediterranean 2, featuring Maplytics, Inogic's flagship geo-mapping app, now with Map Copilot powered by Azure Maps. Let's connect in person. See you soon at DynamicsMinds.